Crunch, 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 my favorite treat there. B is for banana, yellow and bright. Peel it, eat it, morning or night. C is for cherry, cherry so red. Pop, pop, pop before I go to bed. D is for dragon fruit, pink outside. Smile so big, colors inside. E is for elderberry, purple and small. Juicy, juicy, I eat them all. F is for fig, soft and sweet. Bite, 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 a lovely treat me. G is for grapes, green and blue. One for me and one for you. Pay. H is for honeydew, melon so cool. Slice, 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 after school. I is for Indian fig, spiky skin. Cut it open, taste within. J is for jackfruit, yellow and big. Pull, 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 a chewy gig. K is for kiwi, brown and round. Green inside, best snack I found. L is for lemon, sour to taste. Squeeze it, sip it, no time to waste. M is for mango, juicy and sweet. Drip, 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 oh what a treat. N is for nectarine, smooth like a peach. Sweet and soft within my reach. O is for orange, round and bright. Peel, 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 what a delight. P is for peach, soft and round. Juice on my chin, dripping down. Q is for quince, yellow and rare. Cook it, bake it, pies to share. R is for raspberry, tiny and red. Soft and sweet beside my bed. S is for strawberry, heart-shaped too. Dip it in cream, yummy for you. T is for tangerine, easy to peel. Little sweet bites for every meal. U is for ugly fruit, bumpy green skin. Open it up, juice within. V is for vanilla bean, smells so nice. Mix in cake, add in ice. W is for watermelon, red inside. Slice, 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 summertime. X is for exigua, watermelon too. In China we call it fresh and new. Y is for yellow pear, juicy and light. Crunch, 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 tasty bite. Z is for zucchini, soft and sweet. Bake it in bread, so good to eat. Now we've sung from A to Z. Fruits are fun for you and me. Clap your hands and sing once more. Fruits and letters we